Oh my god, it has been over 3 months for me since I was able to make a video, and finally the time has come. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, so this video is just a quick one. For now, a quick one. I will make more videos, they will come. I do have plenty of projects, just no time. So this video is a bit of a update kind of video. As you can see, it's a vlog style, and I just show you a few things that have been going on and that I changed, and yeah, talk a bit about basically numerous things. So I changed from physics over to electronics engineering. I'm no longer studying physics, I'm studying electronics engineering. So this was something I was thinking about for a while, and I got a very rare opportunity to quickly change from one university to another. So yeah, that's what has been going on in terms of why I'm so busy, because now I have a lot to do, as I'm now again in first semester. And weirdly enough, having studied physics does not help you as much as I thought. There are similarities and there are things that you need to learn if you are new to electronics engineering, but not so much the classical physics. Well, classical mechanics and a few things from electrostatics and stuff, but yeah, physics is definitely different from electronics engineering, and yeah, that is one thing that has been going on. Another thing is, because of me changing university, I moved. I moved back to my parents because the new university is very close to my parents' place. And to save some money, I am now living again with my parents. They always kept my room as it was, so it wasn't a big deal, but I had to move all of this stuff over. And my room is still not very organized, and as you can see, there are so many things. Maybe focus. Yeah, and yeah, something very interesting over here. What do we have here? Water cooling components. This was always a dream of mine, to water cool my computer, and that's one of the projects that will be coming up on this channel. I will water cool my computer, but in the cheapest way possible, without causing any issue. And I also want to upgrade my computer, but right now pricing is just ridiculous. If we take a look over here, can you see that price on R7 3700X? 295 euro. This was down to 270 just a month ago, and I wanted to wait for a better price, but now the price got worse. So basically I have to wait at least another 2 months, maybe 3, maybe 4, until I can get a Ryzen 7 CPU for price that I can actually afford. And yeah, so also another project are these GPUs over here, which I have been pointing at for the whole time and not talking about. Yeah, so GPUs, 8 pieces, GT 8800, unknown GPUs, GTX 480 and 4 GTX 570s, and this one may be still working the same as this one. I bought them for €14.50, shipment included, and there are plenty of components left on the PCB, which I'm very interested in. Now, some of these GPUs, they got really badly treated. Like, yeah, this one over here, you can see we have capacitors missing, and someone decided to solder them on the back. And as you can see, these stickers, the discoloration and how they feel, I think whoever used this graphics card was into modding, because for one, it's a bit uncommon to have thermal paste on the VRMs, but especially because of, well, all of these GPUs came from the same seller. It's a private person, not a company, And we see over here we have modifications made to the PCB, some measurement points over here and over here. So yeah, someone really was into overclocking, at least I think. Another thing I did was I bought a whole bunch of broken mainboards. Yeah. And I'm currently trying to remove PCI and PCI Express slots without damaging them. This is the most difficult part. The rest is not so much of a problem, but PCI, PCI Express slots and RAM slots, which I'm interested in, which I want to maybe use in future projects, and therefore need them. Yeah, but that's really difficult, and I still have to learn how to do that. I still got another 2 mainboards over here, a Z170 and an H something Intel mainboard over here. 4 of these boxes full of projects that need to be dealt with. This one, a package from LCSE, which I will take a look inside. Very interesting stuff. Another video, by the way. Oh yeah, something new. This over here. This is my action camera that I modified to work as a microscope with the macro lens. And now I do have one of these very good height adjustable microscope holders. And oh my god, this thing is now on a whole different level. It works so good. So good. Yeah, battery is charging. Stuff that I desoldered from the main board. I definitely want to keep these components because I do have so many old cables like VGA cables, so I might be able to use these VGA ports in future projects. Definitely save heatsinks. And yeah, what did I forget? Oh yeah, by the way, I bought a whole bunch of these boxes from IKEA. I paid almost €100 for boxes, so that everything is now sorted and I know exactly where which component is or what is inside. So much stuff has been going on. Oh my god, did I mention I have a softbox? I have actually 2, but the second one is still not, well, it's still packaged. Oh, and this one I have to make a video about. This is also very, very interesting. This is a ceramic heating element, 250 watt, and designed to be screwed into an E27 socket. These are actually for terrariums, but I thought maybe we can use it to solder. Another video I have to make. Yeah, so what else? I bought a microphone, which is so we have this over here. This is the Toner XLR external phantom power amplifier thingy with this microphone over here. This is a XLR microphone pop filter. We have this thing, oh my god, over here, and my new headphones, studio / DJ headphones, very comfortable from One Audio. Oh yeah, and a new keyboard. I treated myself to a whole bunch of things. These 2 screens I already have. I already had them. This one is a 10-year-old screen. This one is a 2-year-old screen, 2 × 24 inch. More than I ever thought I would need. Oh yeah, and this is where my tablet would normally be if I wasn't filming like I do right now, where I can actually see the screen. So yeah, these are things that I'm currently working on, things that have been going on, and things that will come up on the channel. Oh, I will, by the way, the GPUs, I will save components and make a video on how to desolder certain component types on PCBs without damaging them. If you are interested in that, keep looking out for this video, but for now, I hope you liked this small vlog style video. Stuff will be coming up, it just takes some time till I'm able to film. And also, not only film, I also have to, how's it called, to cut and render stuff. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!